Imagine holding an asset that's not only double your wealth, but also position you as part of one of the greatest financial revolutions of all time. That is Bitcoins today. And guess what? We're on the brink of something extraordinary. Bitcoin is about to break through $100,000 per coin. But here's the thing, this isn't just about price, it's about the story, the why, the how, and most importantly, the opportunities for you to be part of it. Now, let's touch on economic shift a little bit. Governments worldwide are printing money like there's no tomorrow, driving inflations to record highs. People are seeking alternatives, and Bitcoin, limited at 21 million coins, is shining as the ultimate store of value. It's digital gold, but with the added superpowers of being borderless and censorship resistant. Now let's talk about the big players. MicroStrategies, led by Michael Saylor, recently purchased an additional 51,780 bitcoins for approximately $4.6 billion, bringing the total holdings to 331,200 BTC. On the other hand, BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust has accumulated nearly 204,000 Bitcoin, reflecting the growing institutional confidence in Bitcoin. This isn't just retail hype. This is Wall Street waking up, guys. Also, regulatory changes. The resignations of SEC Chair Gary Gensler is like opening up floodgates for crypto-friendly policy. The conversations is shifting from should Bitcoin exist to how do we regulate it fairly. Pro-Bitcoin's policies are giving confidence to skeptics and institutions alike. So what does $100,000 Bitcoins mean? Let's get some historical perspective. Back in 2013, Bitcoins was worth $100. By 2017, it hit $20,000. Fast forward to 2024 today, and we're nearing $100,000 per coin. This isn't random. It's a pattern, a reflection of adoption, scarcities, and trust. Bitcoin at $100,000 isn't just a number, it's a signal that the world is starting to understand the powers of decentralized money. It's becoming part of everyday conversation. Politicians, corporations, and even your neighbors are talking about it. Hitting $100,000 per coin will shatter barriers. For one, it's legitimized Bitcoins even further. Think ETF national reserves and businesses adopting it for payments. It's all accelerating. The Lightning Network has revolutionized Bitcoin's payments, making them faster and cheaper. This isn't just speculative investment. Bitcoin is becoming usable money for the masses. Geopolitical unrest, banking crisis, and weakening fiat currencies have pushed the people toward Bitcoin. It's no longer just an investment, it's a lifeboat. Communities resilient through every crash and every doubt. Bitcoiners have held on. Why? Because Bitcoin isn't just an asset, it's a belief system. A better future where money is fair, transparent, and belong to the people. Where are we heading beyond $100,000? Let's not stop at $100,000. Analysts are already predicting $250,000, $500,000, and even $1 million per coin, with having reducing supply and demand skyrocketing. These numbers are no longer fantasy, they are probability. Now let's look at Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Countries like El Salvador are already holding Bitcoin as reserves. Imagine when larger nations follow suit. This is a shift we haven't seen in centuries. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other tech giants are starting to integrate Bitcoin. Soon, using Bitcoin will be as easy as swiping your phone. Do you still remember the early days of the internet? made millionaires out of those who saw the vision. Bitcoins today is at that same inflection point. Getting in before the masses could change your financial future. Don't wait for the perfections, guy. People often say, I'll buy when it dips, or it's too volatile. But history shows that time in the market beats timing the market. I hope you can differentiate the two. Don't let analyst paralysis stop you. New investor, have anyone told you about Bitcoin at $100,000 yet? Let me do the honor. The risk of FOMO. Here's the twist. Not everyone wins during the bull run. Many new investors get caught in frenzy, buying at the top and selling at the bottom. The key? Patience, education, and long-term mindset. Here's a potential challenges. Regulations could tighten. Central banks' digital currencies might compete. But Bitcoin resilience has proven times and again that it thrives under pressure. Bitcoin isn't just about profits. It's about freedom. Freedom from inflation, oppressive governments, and broken financial system. It's the people's money. Now, before you dive in, let me give you one liner. This is not a financial advice, but it is a wake-up call to start your research. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's grow this community together, guys, and ride the wave to $100,000 and beyond. $100,000 milestone isn't the end. It's just the beginning of Bitcoin's real journey. Will you watching from the sidelines, or will you be part of it? So if you already have some Satoshi, please hold it tight and stack it right. And take care, guys. I will see you in the next video.